Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix app update required. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so this typically means your app, device or browser needs updating to continue streaming. So I've got a few different ways how to resolve this problem. So if you've got an Android phone like me, what we first need to do is go to our Play Store, search for Netflix, and then here it is here, click into Netflix, and if it says update or enable or anything like that, so here we go, update, go ahead and update it, and then open Netflix, and the problem should be solved. All right, so if you're using an iPhone or iPad, we need to update the Netflix app. So go to your app store, search for Netflix, just like we did with the Play Store, and then tap update if available. And now if you're going to update an iOS, iPad OS, navigate to settings, go to general and go to software update, and then install any available updates.